Hello everyone. Welcome back to AI Lifestyle Revolution. Today, we're going to tackle a hot topic: how the average person can keep up with the rapid pace of AI development. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about technology, this video is for you. Understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. First things first, let's take a look at what AI is. AI refers to machines that are able to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Understanding these basics is crucial. Stay informed. Staying informed is crucial. Follow reputable tech news sites, subscribe to AI-focused YouTube channels, and listen to podcasts. Some great resources include OpenAI, DeepMind, Google AI, and Meta AI. This will help you understand the latest trends and breakthroughs. Online courses and tutorials. Want to go deeper? There are plenty of courses available online. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer courses on AI and machine learning. You don't need a technical background to get started. Many of the courses are designed for beginners. Join communities. Another great way to keep up with developments is to join online communities. Websites like Reddit, Discord, and LinkedIn have groups dedicated to AI discussions. Connecting with others can provide you with insights and help you learn faster. Practical practice. Theory is great, but practice makes perfect. Try simple AI projects using platforms like Google Colab or Kaggle. You can experiment with datasets and even build your own models. It's a fun way to learn. Networks. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Attend local meetups, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the AI lifestyle.